How to get a summer body. #1 How to get a summer body. Stay hydrated. So why is staying hydrated so crucial? It's simple to start with, to begin with. This one will be a terrific start to developing the appropriate healthy habits, presuming you wish to adhere to all of our recommendations to get in shape for the summer. And by this, we mean discovering the tricks to discovering how to acquire a summer body and what it takes to persevere through the tough times. Purchasing an infuser water bottle is one option. You may create your own fruit-flavored water using one of these, which will motivate you to drink more. There are several options, including fresh fruits like strawberries, berries, oranges, lemons, and limes. #2 Summer Body Diet. This is the region that you need to pay the most attention to if you want to learn how to acquire a summer body. Have you ever been put off by dieting? In actuality, we all have. You'll be relieved to learn that our diet advice for the summer doesn't advocate depriving yourself of food or relying solely on meal replacement shakes. You may discover the foods that are perfect for you and your lifestyle with the right summer body diet, and that's exactly what it will become. For it to function, it must be sustainable. On a fad diet, you might lose weight, but you can be sure that once you give in, the weight will quickly return. #3 Summertime Fitness. Without providing you with the greatest workouts to build a summer body, we couldn't educate you how to get one. It's time to focus on your summer body fitness regimen once you've followed our advice in Step 2 and established a solid pattern for managing your eating. In our summer body workout, we're doing HIIT and strength training rather than long-duration cardio since we think that this will help you learn how to acquire a summer body quickly. #4 Get some sleep to get a summer body. Learning how to quickly acquire a summer body requires getting the recommended 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Losing weight and/or being more fit takes longer when you don't go to bed at a healthy hour. Why is that so? Ghrelin and leptin, two hunger hormones in the body, are altered when you don't get enough sleep. The hormone ghrelin gives the brain the ability to detect hunger. When you are hungry, it is released into your stomach in great quantities. After eating, it is released in low quantities. Leptin, on the other hand, is released by fat cells and helps the brain determine when you are full. #5 Record your progress. You've perfected your summer body diet, along with the occasional treat. You've been exercising non-stop, and you're sleeping like a baby. What else could you do to ensure that you are aware of the best ways to achieve a summer body? There is, however, one more thing. You could undervalue its impact, but trust us. The last and possibly most crucial stage in our roadmap to getting a summer body is this one. There are various ways to keep track of your progress, and different techniques work better for different people. Whatever route you take, make sure to keep track of your weekly or monthly progress. This will demonstrate the changes in the first leg of your journey that you cannot physically see, and give you the motivation to go harder. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.